Hey ladies, so today I'm going to show you how I tie a messy head wrap. First of all, I have these templates from A&L Display and they come in 4 different sizes: 6-inch template, 7-inch template, 8 and 9. For the 6-inch template I use for newborn. For the 7-inch template I use for baby. For the 8-inch, I use for toddler kid. 9-inch, the mommy one. So today I'm going to be making a head wrap for the 8-inch, the toddler kid. And when I say toddler kid, this will fit a 6 to 12 month up to like a 10-year-old. My 10-year-old still, I still use the template for my 10-year-old on that one. So here I have my pre-cut fabric, and it is pre-cut to 5 inches wide, 40 inches long, and this print can be found at forgetmenotfabric.com. So this is what the template looks like. I write the size that my template is. So what you want to do is fold it in half, and then right where the half is at, just open it, and I kind of just put it right in the center. Now I want my, let me scoot my chair. So I want one strand to be about 1 inch longer than the other. So I'm going to bring my right side across the front, my left side up to the right corner. I'm going to bring that one in, and I'm not going to give it a really tight squeeze, just enough. So then I'm going to grab this strand over here to make my first loop. And I'm going to pinch it. And then I'm going to grab this strand over here. And this strand, I want to fold the edges in, just like that. And I'm going to bring it over the loop. And instead of going under it, I'm just going to lift this loop up and go around it. Once you get to here, this slot right here, I'm going to stick my finger in, and there's where I'm going to add this strand. So once I've added this strand, if you can tell, the puppies are upside down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it and twist it, pull it, and pull it tight so that way you get the nice center. Get that strand, and you're going to pass it through that slot again. Just like that. Now I'm just going to adjust everything. And this makes a, let me get my ruler so I can measure it. This makes close to a 7-inch bow. So it's pretty big. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll be happy to answer those questions for you. Thank you.